watching Rose and Lauren's fashion, adventure, and lifestyle vlog. Roseanne, let me have that. Yeah, man, do your thing. This is Roxie Take Over, taking over Rose and Lauren's vlog.
So good morning, everybody. I want to show y'all my outfit today. Today is another day. We're gonna go make this much money. I'm not doing the most. I'm getting some pimples there, you know. So yeah, we're gonna make this much money. We're gonna get ourselves something to eat first before we do all this. So we're gonna make some cereal, and then we're gonna head out. We don't want to be late. But yeah, do you like the outfit? Hope y'all like it, and that's it. See you a little bit later. Everyone, so I just got up this morning where, as I said, today, well, I didn't say it yet, but today we're going to Ed's sister's baby welcoming party today. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my makeup and stuff. But I wake up this morning, I'm like looking at myself, I'm like, man said I have a pimple right here, but I'm looking at myself, I'm like, damn, I look good. Damn, I look good. You have to have those moments, y'all, when you see yourself and you're like, girl, you're beautiful. Yeah, so I just minus my pimple there, and you guys already know I have freckles, so we're not even going on that part. But minus my pimple and everything, damn, I wake up very beautiful this morning. So I'm gonna do my makeup and everything, get my hair all, you know, pressed, get my ear all pressed and everything, and then we're gonna be going on the road. I love this wig, y'all. I wear a wig. I'm a wig head. Never go nowhere. So yeah. Honey Bear is disturbing me, y'all. But anyhow, so we're gonna get ready, and you guys gonna see what I look like and what I'm wearing. So let's go. My makeup and my hair, and I hope I look nice. I hope I look nice for y'all. So I'm gonna put on my outfit. I'm going to be getting ready for my outfit. We're gonna do a couple stops first, Honey Bear says. So we're gonna do a couple stops before we go where we're going. But I do think the makeup is on point. It looks completely like you're not going to party, but you know you're going to support someone. You're not doing too much, but that's what I think. You guys can tell me if you think it looks like that. I'm not really sure, but that's what I think. So tell me if you think it looks like, yeah, you're going to, you know, chill. Anyhow, so that's pretty much it. This is the hair. No long ponytail, catch up in the back. You know, the life. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. This is me, and I'm gonna put on my outfit, and I'll show you guys that. See you in a little bit.
Thank them so much.
Okay, so this is my outfit, y'all. Do you like it?
My partner in life and law has kept both our family and our firm.
Wanna know if you like it? I'm wearing leather skirts.
But not everyone
I'm trying to
has this kind of support.
squeeze everything in. You know, your girl getting a little bit heavier. I don't know how come I'm gaining so much weight. Try to lose all that sometime this year, but you know, at least I got ass now. That's ass, so that's a plus. Yeah, so yeah, this is what I look like. This is the complete outfit, y'all, and we're finished, and we're gonna be putting on our earrings and our chain, and that's it. So we did it. All right. So I'm ready to go up the road, but you know, Honey Bear is not quite ready as yet, and your girl is like ready. You know, the outfit, y'all, everything, the jewelry, the everything. Girl is like ready. I think the makeup is on point. I'm glad I did it this way. Girl is ready. Hair length is like, whoa. You know, girl's ready. So, Johnny, let's get going.
Okay.
So, we're on our way to go. Oh, damn, I look nice today. Today's a good day. My skin is glowing. The sun is out. Oh my. So we're on our way to go. That's coming here. Corey's at the front too. We'll be able to see him. This car is nice. So yeah, we're on our way to be going where we're going. So we're at Milton Community Center. oh, sorry, it's pronounced Malton Community Center. And here we are. I think we're in Mississauga, one of my favorite towns.
As soon as we crossed over that side, that's it, Malton.
We are here now. We're gonna be going up to where the building is. Those people, they have to smoke. You know, it's their tradition to smoke. They like to smoke a lot. So, we're gonna be going up now to the building, and we are here. So, the party begins. So, here we are.
For games.
18. They're setting up right now at the moment. You already know it's a boy is born.
The Kit Kat and the other one was really
It's pretty cute.
because there's Kit Kat in them.
So it's welcome baby boy in there. So yeah, pretty much you're setting up everything. So it's not complete. This is new baby. Looks like 10. So we're here. I'm just waiting on this thing to jump off. My. You sure look good today. So these are the children right there. That one is the day gel down his hair, the one in the Spider-Man clothes. I won't feed that little girl because I don't know her. She eating soda. White boy.
I wish we got this. I'm not good with this.
I've been water with stuff lately because, you know, I think I'm getting fat, so I'm trying to lose weight. So I'm having water with stuff lately. Out on the road because when I came home, I'm wearing my other jacket. So when I came home, it was chilly outside, so I decided we're going to go do our taxes. So decided to put my other coat on with my complete outfit because I'm going back outside and I don't want to freeze because it's getting kind of chilly and cloudy back. They think it's gonna have rain or something, so I'll put my other coat back on. So yeah, pretty much nice fur and our black. That's what it's called, right? Yeah. Alright, it's called H&R. I'm not going to be on there on this thing. So we're at it. Tax office now. I understand everything about taxes, but this is my tax it as is. So I did my taxes my first time ever doing it. But what I don't understand, the lady said, and I should have we should have done my taxes last year in 2018, but I don't understand why would I do it last year in 2018. So it's kind of complicated. I do not understand. I don't know what to say. I'm like, what? Huh? It says all that crazy person because I don't understand, but I don't understand. So now I was informed that when I'm doing my tax again next year, I have to make sure that I do the one for 2018. People, your girl don't know what's going on. But anyhow, that's it. See.
No, it isn't. That's not where we went for weekend.
Oh.
And they remember this place over here.
Not off these dirty games. So yeah, we're on the mall. Or we're gonna do some shopping. So wherever, we're at Walmart area, we're gonna do some shopping. You know. Alright, so that's been what I have for y'all. Morning, y'all. Good morning. It's your girl. It's a Sunday. Good morning. Good morning. It's a Sunday. Good morning. I'm going on the road. We're gonna buy groceries and stuff. But right now I'm having lunch. I want to show you guys what I'm having for lunch. I'm having honey garlic chicken and a wrap. That's what I'm having for lunch, y'all. So I'm having lunch now, and I'm gonna get dressed, and then I go on the road. The boys are playing with their game that they bought, you know. So yeah, Just did my eyebrows alone. I didn't do anything else with my eyebrows. You know, Sunday making the freckles show out and my pimple that I got show out. Because I look cute though. Alright, so gonna have my snack. I should have seen my lunch. And then put my outfit on and we go on the road. So y'all, the outfit I'm wearing full gray. It's a casual outfit. It's a Sunday. I don't want to look too much. It's a Sunday, so I'm wearing sweatpants, a shirt that, you know, comes with it inside, and a gray sweater. I'm wearing full gray today. You know, it's very warm outside, so I don't need to wear what I see the sunlight. Very warm outside, so I don't need to wear a winter coat, so I'm just wearing gray. So I don't need to wear a winter coat today because it's warm. So I'm gonna be wearing full gray today. My gray out swag. Now it's warm. It's a nice sunny day. Sunday. It won't be too much, but you know, this is your girl for a Sunday, so I'm gonna show you guys my journey, and glad for y'all to be coming with me. So let's go. All here. Look at these things. I don't know why they still have winter stuff up. It's warm now. So I'm gonna be getting some stuff. I don't know what I'm getting. Oh, yeah. Honey Bear, did you get the card? Did you get the shopping cart?
No, I asked if you wanted one. You said no.
I will get one now then.
Alright. Yeah, especially when they finally got it.
So yeah. Shopping life. So we're walking to next. I love these houses. We're walking to where we're going next. Got some stuff. No, so we're walking to where we're going next. And then that will be that.
It's nice.
Honey Bear, you look so cute today, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Looks so cute. In his undershirt, he looks so cute.
Can't really see it though, but
You got to show it in his necklace.
Next stop, Gulfley.
The gift that I got for Honey Bear because our anniversary is coming out and we're gonna be celebrating it on the weekend. So I got this gift for him. This is an anniversary gift, y'all. So, you know, small intermission at the moment. I'm my favorite place in the world. My favorite place. So we're here at a small intermission. We're gonna be all heading on our way home. Put my stuff down. I got a lot of stuff today, so I'm putting my stuff down. Here, one mall side people waiting on the streetcar. It seems like it's never gonna come.